welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing Sonic. I was out doing errands and my oldest son went with me and he got McDonald's, and I don't like to eat while I'm driving, and so we were almost home, and I guess fixing to be happy hour, fixing to be over, so I got me a large mango slush. And oh Lord, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna pause it 1 more second. Hold on. Okay, my fork went flying across the room. Ugh. I'm starving. It's like 5 o'clock. Wow, I've been out running errands for 5 hours. I'm starving. They got a new little thing in. Well, the Sonic I went to in College Station, it needs to be remodeled. It's just falling apart. Nobody's when you pull up to order, nobody's screen's working. So you can't use a credit card or whatever. Everybody has to, if you use a credit card, you gotta go, they have to take it inside. Think inside cash. My son got, I thought these were DoorDash prices, but it seems like DoorDash is not adding on so much to their prices as I thought they were. Barnabas, he got 20 nuggets, spicy chicken nuggets, that is special, and a basket of fries for $9.69, and then he got him a large drink, that's $1. It came with almost $14. I was like, well, that's about what they charge on DoorDash. That's ridiculous. I used to be about $6 or $7. Mine was $10.81 for a foot long, a tater tots, and my drink. That's ridiculous. I should be about $6. So here, we'll do it this way. I'm gonna give you a quick little thumbnail. Okay. Let's see if I can just pick this up and put it in my mouth. I was trying to think what we're going to do for supper, but it's so late. That's why I had my supper. I'm gonna finish some Dr. Pepper. I took with me my Stanley cup. I'll tell you what, Bryan College Station has grown so much. You can just stay home a couple days and it's just something new pops up, some new building, some new turnaround, roundabout. Everything on the west side of Bryan College Station is totally changed. It's like going to Houston or Dallas. And I liked it because it used to be a nice sized town, but it's gotten to be such a big city. I don't like it. And I said, I see one every day on the news, or they show on Facebook, whatever news. I have 3 or 4 bad wrecks over there. That's because the way the roads are made. You know what? I'm gonna put all that on something. There you go. I've got my gorgeous Georgia on. Have you ever been to Bryan College Station? It's nice. We have too many Texas A&M students, and they need to make a limit of how many students they can have. They're just trying to make it have so many, and the area where it's at, it's not made for 100,000 students. I don't know how many they have. It's somewhere like that. The roads are made probably for a population of 30,000. You know, so you got a population of people here, and then you got an extra 100,000 people coming, and they never. I didn't plan too good for the future. It's like the first time I saw the Alamo. I've never seen pictures of the Alamo, exactly what it looks like to be in the middle of high rises and a bunch of shopping centers, and it's just I remember we just made a right hand turn, and then we made a right hand turn, and then there was the Alamo, and I was like, oh my God, it's big as a 7-Eleven. You think it'd be they would have put the Alamo like maybe on 10 acres, 15 acres of land, then built around it, made a nice park. They didn't do that. I'm doing. All people were wanting to do is money, 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 money. That's all it is. Greedy money. They're trying to make money out of our Texas history of people who lost their lives. And it's a shame. I think I could have went with the smaller hot dog. I may have to take a nap. Well, I should have sat there at the Sonic and ate it. It's nice and fresh and hot. But I was trying to hurry up. Get home to my dogs. They've been outside for a long time. That's why they're out. That's one reason I said, hey, I'm gonna grab me some food because I know they're gonna be out. I should have went to my studio, but oh well, this is where my eating is taking place. Well, I told them extra onions. I hate to see what they give you when you want regular onions. Unless they don't give you like one or two tiny pieces. I had a lot for a medium. Should have got small. Oh well. I'm not eating. I remember when I used to give you ketchup. Remember when they used to give you ketchup and they'd give you mustard and they'd give you salt and pepper packages. tell you. I really enjoyed getting out. I should really make myself get out once we well, my oldest son the other day had to wire my van to go jury duty because his battery was dead in his Jeep. And he told my youngest son he needed to put air in my tires because they're low. They're all at 30. And he didn't do it. Ooh. That's cold going down. People talking about brain freeze. I get chicken, chest and neck freeze. Alright, let me finish these few little tater tots. I hope y'all paused me and went and got y'all a snack. I may have to save these. I can't. I really can't. I know people can on here can sit here and force themselves to eat all this food. So I can't do that. Man. Alright, my baby is going to take a nap. I'm fixing to join them for a little while. Take a nap. So, y'all know it bothers me having a sip of tea. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, click that bell notification. Make sure it's all black. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.